Hi there, my name is Val Heminger, and I am the owner of Pathway Legal and one of its founders. In this video, I want to talk to you about high conflict matters. Now, people often say that it always takes two to tango. Now, I've been a divorce lawyer for almost 25 years, and this is what I can tell you. That sometimes, and when I say sometimes, I mean in very rare cases, when a matter is very, very high conflict, sometimes no matter what one spouse does to try to make things work, no matter what one parent does to keep their kids out of the glue, to keep their kids out of adult issues, to keep their kids safe and happy and well and not in a state of total chaos all the time, sometimes it actually is the other parent. Now, as lawyers, we are not in a position to diagnose anybody. And in my experience, if you have a matter that is very high conflict and you can never do the right thing no matter how hard you try, there is a very specific way to try to negotiate through your legal matter. You want to get to a clear resolution, a clear agreement, or a court order as soon as you possibly can, because sometimes spending a lot of time and resources spinning around and around and around with trying to make an agreement with a high conflict person is not necessarily a great use of your time and your resources. A lot of times when people are separating or they're going through a separation, they lose their minds for a period of time. Like it's high conflict for a while because, people are afraid. They don't know what's going to happen with their parenting plan. They don't know what's going to happen with their finances. They don't know what's going to happen with their investments. What we know is that most of the time, after people get through that initial intense phase and have a court order or agreement, they are able to get on with life. Now, even in the most agreeable parties, sometimes there are bumps in the road, frustrations, school books are forgotten. Someone hasn't been great about helping the child with homework. One person has brought the kid to McDonald's too often, that kind of thing. And so there's often bumps in the road. And at the same time, what most people do is they go, I don't like it that he takes her to McDonald's that much, or I don't like it that he allows him to play video games, and I don't like it that she allows the child to stay up so late on a school night. But you know what? That's the other parent, and my child loves the other parent, and we each have different parenting styles. And you know what? I know the other parent does the best that they can, and I know that they love the child and the child loves them. That's what most people do. Most people are like, you know what? It sucks because I don't get to wake up every Christmas morning with my child anymore. But you know what? That's reasonable because the other parent wants that opportunity too. So this is what most people do. But high conflict people, anytime there's an opportunity for something to go wrong or something to generate conflict, it will. Think of the coronavirus, for example. In high conflict matters, as soon as the coronavirus happened, COVID-19, boom, all the high conflict people are withholding kids, breaking court orders, freaking kids out, telling kids that their parents are probably contaminated, like terrible stuff, right? And again, so what I'm saying is that again, although I'm not in a position to diagnose, what I can say is that there's usually a personality problem in the mix. Now, again, I don't want you to diagnose your ex either, but like a borderline personality disorder, a narcissistic personality disorder, a histrionic personality disorder, or a paranoid personality disorder. Like those kinds of challenges can make your separation an ongoing parenting plan, or making sure you get through the process of separation. It can be a bigger challenge. And what you want is you want a lawyer who is experienced in dealing with high conflict personalities, because the way that you do those kinds of matters is somewhat different than people who are, bumping along in life and having the odd challenge in their parenting plan or, end up separating. If you want help for your high conflict situation and you've got a high conflict spouse or soon to be ex-spouse and you're looking for legal advice, hit us up in the link below, or you can call us 250-220-8686.